Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at the Haunt at Great Oak. These are the zombies. They were made using various tutorials from StiltBeast on YouTube. StiltBeast Studios, sorry. These are full-size, nice and tall zombies with eyes, and at night we have them set up so they will get a charge during the day, and at night the eyes will light up like that. So part of how this was done, again, StiltBeast Studios, thank you for all the various tutorials on making various haunt aspects. So pool noodles. I've added some PVC pipe into the leg part of the pool noodles. That is hot glued at the base. The hands were made and painted. And this guy here, the one with the red and blue shirt, has PVC pipe underneath the pool noodles to allow it to keep the arms out straight, because I found I had a problem keeping them up otherwise. And the way that I did this was a PVC pipe going right through the middle pool noodle, and I used zip ties to fasten everything, and it just comes around to an L-shaped pipe bend for the 1/2-inch PVC pipe. So anyway, that's the behind-the-scenes look at the zombie walkers. And like StiltBeast would say, go make something.